Hey guys, Coach 𝐿𝐼𝐴 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to answer the question, is there proof that Infinity Processing System works? What kind of results are members getting? That's the question that I want to answer in today's video. Infinity Processing System is a work from home system that allows you to earn commissions with a viable product, which is a training-based product, but it also allows you to learn the skill set of how to make money from home through your marketing efforts. Okay, so that's pretty much that. It allows you to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. That is what Infinity Processing System is. So a lot of people have a question about, is there proof that it works? Is there proof that members are getting results? Shen answered that question for me, and that's what I'm going to do in today's video. So if you're a person who you're looking to start generating income from home, generating income online, wherever you have a phone or a computer, while learning the skill set that will pay you for a lifetime, and you want to learn how to start earning consistently, you can learn these skill sets, and that's what you get access to in the product, which is the IPS membership area. Okay, so it's definitely something you're going to want to take a closer look at. Beneath this video will be more information on how you can do that, but let's go into the proof so we can see how our members are getting results. So what I'm in our members proof group, and I just want to show you that our members are actually getting results. So here you can see that, over $300,000 in team sales from this affiliate product has happened, and that's because, sorry, I got heartburn, because of this program. Okay, so we have people welcoming other people, which means that they're getting results. We can see that one member has made over $21,000 with this system, and that's not typical, but it depends on your work ethic and how fast you apply, how fast and diligently you apply the strategies that are in the training, the membership area, which I'll show you in a second. But I just wanted to kind of scroll and just show you, here, we have people saying, the key to winning daily is be consistent on social media, work your business every day. These are the things that Adriana teaches in the IPS Pro membership area. She's teaching you these same things. So for people who want to earn money consistently, right, you do have to be consistent with your marketing strategies, and she gives you the marketing strategies. All you have to do is show up, apply it, and be consistent. Okay, those are things that you need to do. But you can see lots of our members getting results, welcoming new members. Here someone got a $50 commission. She said, earning while at work, while I check my email, I don't think twice. Or she says, don't think twice, start now. We have a member that stepped out and came home to an IPS payment notification of $150. So that's what it's about. It's not about some big cash grab or anything like that. It's about learning these strategies so you can do what other people are talking about, being at work or other places, and they come home and they have payment notifications. And so it's creating an extra stream of income for yourself because you learned some simple marketing strategies so that you can earn income from home with a viable digital product, which is a training platform. Okay, so if you don't have something to promote, or you're looking for something to promote where you can earn good commissions, definitely IPS will put you in position to earn those $300 and $150 commissions as well. So lots, I'm not going to scroll all day. There's lots and lots and lots of success stories. I want to show you that I myself have made over $3,000 with this system. This does not include my Cash App payments, but this is just my payments in my Stripe account. And I've earned these pretty passively just from YouTube and following the training that's in here on how to set up your autoresponder. So one of the first trainings is how to create your automated sales funnel. And at the pro level, she also gives you the swipes. Okay, so she gives you all the swipes and everything so that you don't have to put them together. And that's something you get at the pro level, which is actually really cool. So you get 30-day follow-up series that she's already put together for you, so on and so forth. So these are the things that the skill sets. So what I recommend for people who are looking to get started with Infinity Processing System is come in here to Infinity Processing System. I want you to get set up with steps 1 and 2. Okay, get your automated sales funnel set up, get your website set up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down here. You're going to follow the 7-day action plan for success, and then right here where it says Facebook Marketing Mastery and YouTube, let me see, go all the way down to where it says TikTok Marketing. I want you to pick 1 or 2 of these that you're going to master. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are essentially 6 mini courses on different social media platforms and how to effectively market on those platforms. You're not going to master all of them. What I want you to do, focus. People who focus and stay consistent with one strategy over 90 days will build a consistent income. It might not, and here's the thing, it might not happen in your first 30 days. Okay, if you take your mind off of the fast cash and say, I'm going to focus for the next 90 days, and in my first 30 days, I'm just going to learn to build the consistency muscle of applying myself to these marketing strategies and building my leads and building my leads, then what will happen is over 90 days, you will have built a consistent income if you take your eyes off the money and stay committed to the process. So anyways, back to this. You come in here, you're going to pick 1 or 2 strategies. My best advice is to pick YouTube automation and Facebook Marketing Mastery. These are 2 simplest ways to market and master for a beginner. That's my advice. Okay, so go ahead and I would advise you to pick YouTube and Facebook. Click in here, learn the strategies that are back here and start doing it right away. She teaches you how to get your YouTube channel set up in seconds, and she gives you a simple marketing strategy to start making YouTube videos that you can use this strategy to promote anything. Then you're going to come over here, let's say you pick Facebook. That's your second strategy. Learn the Facebook strategies and start applying it right away. Okay, so that is my best advice on how to use the system effectively. Okay, and then, as you master those 2, you can definitely add on additional strategies. Maybe you then come and learn TikTok or Instagram, and now you have 3 different traffic sources, all feeding, your autoresponder with people who are interested and have raised their hand or they're interested. So that's what I would recommend that you do. Okay. So if you're someone you're looking to create an extra income source from home, you would like to join our community of people who are getting results by learning these strategies, applying these strategies, and building, income from home, and learning the skill sets. Because I talk about this a lot in videos, that these marketing skill sets you don't have to use just to promote make money online opportunities or digital products. Once you learn these skill sets, you can turn it into a whole nother income source for yourself. You can then go on, for example, I'll just give an example. You could go on Upwork. You know how to put together funnels. You can go on Upwork and you can charge somebody $250 to $500 a piece to put together a funnel for them, business owners. You can take that skill set and you can charge local businesses and do that for them. You know how to put together a YouTube channel. You could go on Upwork and charge people to $500 to $1,000 is the going rate to set up a YouTube channel for them and make a simple review video for their business, right? These are things like taking these marketing skill sets and learning how to turn it into a whole nother stream. These marketing skill sets will pay you for a lifetime. So don't think about, I'm learning these marketing skill sets to promote this digital product or to promote whatever, right? But think about, I'm learning these skill sets, and this skill set I can leverage over and over and over again to bring in income on demand in different ways, right? And that's how I've always thought about it, and that's always how these skill sets have served me personally. Okay, so anyways, I said that. If you're ready to join Finny Processing System, position yourself accordingly. The link is beneath this video. When you get started with me, I give as a bonus my strategies and my daily routine for success to help complement what's already in there. You don't need any bonuses, but I give them, and that's that. So smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.